How to fix Roblox chat not working. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix a Roblox chat not working, go ahead and tap open your Roblox app. If you are using a Roblox browser, go ahead and open up your browser. So in here, you need to make sure you are logged in into your Roblox chat. So right over here, tap on the chat option and make sure you refresh your chat feed or your Roblox app. Then go ahead and try to send a message in the Roblox chat. If the issue still persists, you can head back from here. Now following with the next step, tap open your settings and scroll down to head over to apps. Tap on the all apps option, then search for Roblox. Start off by heading over to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button, which will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. If you are using a browser, then go ahead and launch the browser in which you are currently logged in. Then, at the top of the browser, tap on the three dot icon and from here head over and select on Delete Browsing Data. That will remove any other data or the cache built up as well. Last resort is to uninstall your Roblox app if you have installed and reinstall it later. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.